About 1 in 5 kids now have a seriously debilitating mental illness. That's according to the Center for Disease Control. A new study from the Nationwide Children's Hospital found that 87% of Americans believe kids need better access to mental health support. This comes as the country is marking Mental Health Awareness Month. And that's why every Sunday in May we want to let you know about resources available and events where you can find them. Today we are kicking off Spread Hope KC with Dr. Sarah Soden from Children's Mercy. She joins me now along with Kelly Aldrich, the charity coordinator from Chicken and Pickles. And you guys are having this event coming up. First of all, let's start with the event. Kelly, tell us about what's going on and how can people help?
Well, the event is May 8th, this Tuesday at Chicken and Pickle. $10 ticket. You get to join us, have dinner, live music, and hear the experts from Children's Mercy talk to you and your children about this epidemic.
So this is a fun place you can go, a nice atmosphere.
Absolutely.
That you can also get some resources at and kind of help the parents who might be struggling. What do I do?
Exactly. This evening was planned on a gut feeling. I have 3 children.
Yeah.
I want to help. I want to do everything I can. Chicken and Pickle is the most giving place in Kansas City. So we just wanted to open our doors. We partnered with Children's Mercy so we could really learn what to do from the experts.
Doctor, tell me, when we talk about parents trying to help their children, it is so hard, especially when they're in their teen years, when they're not only vulnerable, there's a lot of emotions running. What's the #1 thing you see and that you think parents need to do?
Yeah, we get that question a lot. Suicide is the second leading cause of death of youth between the age of 10 and 24, and that can feel very daunting. But I love the name of this event because we do believe there's a lot of reason for hope and there are things that can be done. So one of those is just talking to your kids. People used to think that talking about this topic might increase the risk of suicide, but what we actually know is that's not the case at all. And it provides the opportunity for us to just listen compassionately to our children. And then the other thing is what we call means restriction. And what that means is really being aware of firearms and medications and other methods that are in all of our households that in an impulse a child could take advantage of and do permanent damage to him or herself.
And when it comes to talking to children about this, teenagers, a lot of times parents have almost a judgmental, even when they don't mean to, really hard to take that judgment out and just listen as a person to a teen, especially when they're, your offspring. That's one of the most difficult things, correct?
Yes, it is. I think one of the things that parents can do is practice. So as a physician, we're now screening all of our patients at Children's Mercy, or at least in certain clinics, and we're spreading it throughout the hospital. And many of us found that practicing outside of the clinic was really a way to kind of get comfortable with these questions, and parents can do that too. Find a friend or a spouse and sort of practice asking these questions in just kind of a simple, non-judgmental way. Keep it simple.
And so practicing, so when the time comes, you can hit it out of the park and open that communication between. So the event is this Tuesday. What time again?
Yes. Starts at 5:30 p.m. Okay. You can purchase tickets at chickenandpickle.com.
And that's just a couple miles north of the city, right?
Yep, 2 miles from downtown. It includes dinner. 100% of proceeds will go to Children's Mercy.
Guys, thanks so much for joining us
this morning.
Thank you.
All right, celebrities are taking